In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book World Cup 2026 tickets. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the official FIFA World Cup 2026 ticketing website. It's important to use the official site so you're getting accurate information, real ticket availability, and secure checkout options. Once you're there, either create a FIFA account if you're new or sign in if you already have one. If the website asks you to verify your email address, go ahead and complete that step before moving on, since account verification may be required to continue with the purchase process. After that, you'll need to wait until the official FIFA ticket sales phase begins. Tickets are only available during active sales windows, so if sales haven't opened yet, you may not be able to proceed right away. Once sales are live, head to the tickets section of the website to begin browsing available matches. From there, search specifically for matches taking place in Canada. The site will show you a list of games being hosted in Canadian cities, and you can browse through those options to find the one you want to attend. When you found the right match, select it to continue. Next, take a moment to review the ticket categories, pricing, and seating options that are available. This part is important because availability can vary by match, and some events may offer different seating tiers or limited seat selection. Choose the number of tickets you want, then select your preferred ticket category or specific seats if the website allows seat selection for that match. Once you've made your choices, add the tickets to your cart. Before checking out, carefully review the order summary so you can confirm the match details, ticket quantity, and total price. If everything looks correct, continue by entering or confirming your personal information. You'll then be asked to choose your preferred payment method, select the option that works best for you, and complete the payment. After submitting your payment, wait for the purchase confirmation screen to appear. This confirmation is a good sign that your order has gone through successfully. When that's done, check your email for the confirmation message and receipt. Keep those for your records. If FIFA requires